Now this is part B. That is in presence of inducer. In presence of inducer. So that is from I gene transcription occurs, repressor mRNA synthesized. From repressor mRNA, by translation, repressor protein is synthesized. This lactose is introduced into the bacterial cell. That means this is a bacterial cell. These bacterial cells are placed in a medium called lactose. What happens means lactose enters into the bacterial cell with the help of enzyme called permease enzyme. Permease enzyme. Like that, the outside bacteria, outside lactose medium enters into the bacterial cell with the help of enzyme called permease enzyme. Like that, lactose enters into the bacterial cell. Now this lactose is attached to repressor protein. Now this, whenever this lactose attached to integrated repressor protein, this repressor is inactive repressor. That means it is unable to bind to. Whenever this lactose is integrated with repressor protein, this repressor protein is inactive. Whenever this repressor protein is inactive, it is unable to bind to operator gene. So, what is the role of a promoter means? At a promoter, which enzyme is binded? RNA. RNA polymerase. Binding site of RNA polymerase is promoter, but not operator. So, these three are called the structural genes. Number of structural genes means 3. From these 3 structural genes, transcription occurs. One transcription occurs, and lac mRNA is synthesized. From this lac mRNA, 3 translations occur. That means from that Y gene, that means from here to here, Y gene, beta gal enzyme. Full name is beta galactosidase enzyme. From Y gene, from here to here, from Y gene, permease enzyme. What is the role of that permease means? Previously, I told that permease enzyme is useful for permit the surrounding lactose into the bacterial cell, and from that A gene, from here to here, transacetylase. So 3 types of enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but proteins. Three types of proteins are synthesized. So these are called, synthesis of proteins is called translation. From structural genes, transcriptions 1, translations 3. From I gene, that is regulator gene, transcriptions 1. From repressor mRNA, translations 1. So that is from I gene, number of transcriptions 1, number of translations 1. From structural genes, transcriptions 1, translations 3. If the question is operon means we have to say all together. Operon means total number of transcriptions. This is one transcription, this is one transcription. In operon, total number of transcriptions 1 plus 1, 2. in operon. Total number of translations means this is one translation, this is three translations, totally four translations occur in operon. What is the role of beta-gall enzyme? This beta-gall enzyme is useful for hydrolysis, that is lactose on hydrolysis, glucose and galactose. How many monomers are synthesized? Two monomers. Two monomers. So one substance is useful to synthesize two units. This is so called a disaccharide. Disaccharide. So a disaccharide lactose is useful to synthesize glucose and galactose in presence of enzyme beta-gall. Water is added means this process is so called hydrolysis. So the role of beta-gall enzyme is conversion of lactose into glucose and galactose. Role of permease is, function of permease is permit, allow the surrounding lactose medium into the bacterial cell. Trans-acetylase means acetylation of galactoside. So this lac mRNA is useful to synthesize three proteins. That's why it is a polycistronic gene. Lac operon is a polycistronic gene. This polycistronic found in prokaryotes or eukaryotes means prokaryotes. So polycistronic is a gene found in prokaryotes. So which one act as inducers? Which one act as inducers means two. One is called lactose, another one is called allolactose. So the following substances act as inducers means one is lactose, other one is allolactose. These two substances, whether they act as inducers? No. The following substances do not act as inducers means glucose and galactose. Until how much time this repressor protein is inactive means until this lactose is completely utilized. Until that lactose is completely utilized. So, and that lactose is degraded totally. Again this repressor protein again binds to operator gene, then structural genes are switch off. So in presence of inducer means that is switch on structural genes are in presence of inducer, that is structural genes are in presence of inducer, structural genes are switch on. So here mRNA is synthesized. How many start codons and how many stop codons are there? So that means three types of enzymes are synthesized means stop codons, start codons. How many? Start codons means in every mRNA start codon will be present at the beginning of mRNA. So here one start codon, here one start codon, here one start codon. Number of start codons 3. That start codons may be present in the middle of mRNAs also. So that means number of start codons in lac mRNA means 3 or more. Number of stop codons means we have to say only 3. So that means here one stop codon, here another stop codon, here another stop codon will be present. So number of start codons in lac mRNA means 3 or more. Number of stop codons in lac mRNA means 3. So from that I gene, in presence of inducer, repressor protein is synthesized. Previously, in absence of inducer also, repressor protein is synthesized. So that means this I gene is constitutively. Which gene is constitutively synthesized means, so all the time that I gene is functional. When I gene is functional, in presence of inducer, in absence of inducer, all the time it is functioning. That means this I gene is called constitutively functioning. Constitutively functioning means all the time it is produced. So previously negative, that is so called, that is in absence of inducer it is so called negative regulation. In presence of inducer this is so called positive regulation. So lac operon is under the control of both negative regulation and positive regulation. So positive regulation occurs. When does that positive regulation occurs? That is lactose act as inducer, or this repressor protein is unable to bind to operator gene. When does that negative regulation occurs? That is repressor protein binds to operator gene. So lac operon is under the control of both negative regulation and positive regulation. This positive regulation is also called derepression. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.